The Orbital Blackout, when space war hit Wall Street March 18, 2026, 10 o'clock a.m., low Earth orbit LEO, 550 kilometers above the Philippines. For years, the satellite constellation Artemis Global, a low-cost network providing high-speed banking and financial data transfers, had operated unnoticed. But today, it was the primary target. The attack came not from a missile, but from a neighboring satellite, the Russian experimental platform Kosmos 580, which was disguised as a debris monitoring vehicle. At 10:02 a.m., the Kosmos platform initiated a carefully calibrated, high-power directed energy pulse. It was aimed precisely at the power rays and primary transponders of the nearest Artemis satellite. The satellite did not explode. It went silent, permanently. The domino effect in financial chaos. 10:05 a.m. London, Financial District. The ripple effect was instantaneous and disastrous. The silent Artemis satellite was a key node in the ultra-low latency high-frequency trading HFT network between London, New York, and Tokyo. When the signal vanished, automated HFT algorithms which rely on receiving and executing trades in milliseconds went haywire. The New York Stock Exchange NYSE and the London Stock Exchange LSE immediately instituted emergency halts. The subsequent loss of confidence triggered a massive sell-off. In less than 30 minutes of chaotic trading, over $1.8 trillion in market capitalization was wiped out. This was the first time a physical act in space had caused a financial crisis on Earth. The War in the Sky, Operation Sentinel Flare. 11 o'clock a.m. U.S. Space Force Command, Peterson Space for Space, Colorado. The attack was confirmed as a targeted kinetic strike equivalent. The immediate response was Operation Sentinel Flare. The primary objective: locate and neutralize the remaining hostile gray zone assets in orbit without generating any more space debris, which would only make the environment unusable for everyone. 11:30 a.m. The U.S. Space Force deployed the highly classified and manned X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle, which had been waiting on standby. Its mission was to intercept and disable the hostile Kosmos 580 before it could strike any more Artemis nodes or, worse, America's GPS constellation. The X-37B, controlled by AI-driven multi-agent systems, closed the distance. Instead of a directed energy weapon, it was equipped with the Net-Snare system, a specialized grappling net designed to physically disable the Kosmos satellite and push it into a graveyard orbit, minimizing debris. The countermaneuver. 12:15 p.m. LEO, over the Arabian Peninsula. As the X-37B prepared its final intercept maneuver, the Kosmos 580 satellite executed an unprecedented evasive burn, changing its orbital plane and revealing a powerful secondary thruster system. This maneuver showed the hostile satellite was not merely an observer, but a dedicated, weaponized space platform capable of autonomous dogfighting in space. The evasive burn also briefly exposed the satellite's power core. In that split second, the U.S. Space Force made a critical decision: use a ground-based, low-power laser system to temporarily blind the Kosmos satellite's navigation sensors. It was a digital warning shot, designed by the X-37B, timed to re-engage. Resolution and the new baseline. 1:30 p.m. Global markets reopened. The LSE and NYSE partially resumed trading, but the damage was done. The Artemis system remained crippled. The X-37B successfully neutralized the Kosmos 580 using the Net-Snare, confirming the immediate threat was gone. However, the crisis revealed a terrifying new baseline. Space is the new economic frontline. A $10 million satellite had just been used to erase $1.8 trillion in global wealth. Analysts worldwide dubbed the event the Kessler Shock. After the theory that orbital debris could make LEO unusable, the world had crossed the final frontier of warfare. What began as spy versus spy satellite maneuvers had ended with financial chaos on Earth, proving that the security of global finance now rests in the stability of low Earth orbit.